How often should you feed a newborn? If you're a new mom, this is one of the most common questions, and the answer may be different from what you expect. Newborns have tiny stomachs and grow incredibly quickly, so they usually need to eat frequently, both day and night. In the first few weeks, most breastfed newborns feed about 8 to 12 times in a 24-hour period. Some babies may want to nurse even more often, especially during growth spurts. Instead of watching the clock, pay attention to your baby's hunger cues. Early signs can include stirring, opening their mouth, turning their head toward your breast, sucking on their hands, or becoming more alert. Crying is usually a later hunger signal. If you're breastfeeding, it's generally best to offer the breast whenever your baby shows hunger cues. Some feedings may be short, while others can last longer. Cluster feeding, when your baby wants to feed repeatedly over a period of time, can also be completely normal during the newborn stage. If your baby is formula-fed, newborns also typically feed frequently, often every few hours. The exact amount and schedule can vary based on your baby's age, weight, and individual needs. Follow your pediatrician's guidance and your baby's hunger and fullness cues rather than forcing a specific amount. One important thing to remember is that frequent feeding is not necessarily a sign that your baby isn't getting enough milk. Newborns are still developing their feeding patterns, and frequent nursing can be normal. You can also look for signs that your baby is feeding well, including regular wet diapers, swallowing during feeds, appearing satisfied after many feedings, and gaining weight appropriately. Your baby's pediatrician can help confirm that feeding and growth are on track. At Pump with Thilly, we're here to make your breastfeeding and newborn feeding journey feel a little less overwhelming. Every baby is different, so if your newborn is unusually sleepy, difficult to wake for feeds, feeding poorly, or you're concerned about diaper output or weight gain, contact your pediatrician or lactation professional promptly. Remember, you don't have to follow a perfect schedule. Feed your newborn responsively, watch their cues, and give yourself time to learn together.